Oh, hey everybody. Jason with Heap of Jeep. Today, working on the Renix, the 1990. Door doesn't open. This side got slammed into a snowbank or something, and when that happened, it popped off, or maybe absolutely destroyed the mechanism, although it opens from the inside. So, I'm going to pull off the door panel here. Already started, as you can see, got the handle off. But we're going to open it up and see if we can figure out why this door isn't opening. And so I already took this off. This just slides in, and it's 2 Phillips screws underneath there. Just take them out, tilt it up, and pull it out. Not a biggie. And I think this is just 3 Phillips screwdrivers, or 3 Phillips screws. Yeah, well, I'm no expert on how these mechanisms work. In fact, I'm far from an expert, but first thing I'm going to do is see if I can push this dent out a little bit to relieve pressure and maybe make it so the window can roll all the way down again. Actually, that may have done just the trick. Let's try it with the window. There we go. So that's a plus. Now let's see if we can figure that may have what do you know about that? So inside there is the mechanism for the door. I was worried that like the rod or something that controls this had popped off or broken or something, but I think it was just wedged because it's moving once I pushed that dent out. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I really thought there'd be a lot more involved in that repair. I'm glad there wasn't. The door's working again. That'll make my wife happy. But so I guess instead of saying fixing the door, maybe we'll just call this one how to remove your door panel. Let's put it back together. Well, sorry it wasn't such a interesting and more involved video, but hey, if you were wondering how to take your door panel off, this is the video for you. But there we go. Door's working again. Easy peasy. Don't let it dissuade you though. Please subscribe. Usually my videos are a lot more labor intensive because I really have no idea what I'm doing for the most part. And I'm just making it up as I go along. And sometimes they help people out. And hopefully that's you. So stay tuned. More videos coming up on the 1990 and the 96 Cherokee.